Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Atascedaro local and long-distance movers near me. We make certain your long-distance move happens on time without worry. Regardless of how far you need to move, our qualified team of movers will make it much easier. Relocating isn't easy, however. Using the best moving services can definitely make it so much simpler. Our experts handle all of the important moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials always on time, and transparent pricing. If you want to hire a California moving company, justifying the expense might seem to be challenging. A closer look at the benefits you get from local moving companies may help you understand why it's a practical option. The time savings you get can easily make using the services of a moving company one of the best choices you made. Movers can also make sure you don't have to worry about injury because you will not have to do any heavy lifting. Our moving crew makes it simple to get your new location without having nearly as much stress. Moving day becomes much simpler with 3 Movers due to the fact that we improve your entire move. Moving locally can be very quick, and our crew can handle even a big move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Atascadero moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.